What's up, everybody? Welcome back to How to Do It. I'm Jeremy. Today is April 6th. It's about 11 a.m., a little before. And this will be the first video of spring, which is going to be me helping out my mother-in-law fix her mailbox. So I guess it's mounted on a piece of wood. Looks a little like this. So I will need an 8x21 piece of wood. So I'm sure I got something like that in here somewhere. So I'll be right back, and hopefully I'll have a piece of wood. Oh. Alright, so I found this board, which is definitely plenty long enough, and whoop, get on there. It is definitely wide enough, so it's got to be 8 by 21. So I'll mark it and cut it, and then we'll head over to my mother-in-law's. Alright, so as you saw in the video, ooh, sun's coming out. I will tell you, 40 degrees in April hits a little differently than 40 degrees in November. Anyway. Alright, so you saw in the pictures. This doesn't need to be a great work of art or anything. Now we're ready to go. So, this is the mailbox. This is the new piece of wood. And then to mount that back upon the stand, I consulted my trusty jar of screws. Found 6 galvanized screws with some washers. One doesn't seem to want to fit, so that might not be very good. Let's see if I can't find another one in there. I just need to double layer. There we go. Now that will come off. Alright, so my next step is to remove this old piece of wood, put the new one up. There we go. A lot of moisture back here. Spider webs and such. So this is really should get a piece of weathered, pressure treated wood. What should do? Kind of water sealant for this one. I guess. There. Very good. I think that'll work. Let's go mount it. All right. First, let's try and get all right. All right, so we're back in action. They're pretty sturdy, so I think we're good. I should probably pick these up as well. Thumbs up. Well, that was a pretty easy task. And that's gonna do it for me. It probably took me longer to drive here and to drive back home than it actually did for me to fix the mailbox. But I would say I do have to come back too, because I think I really need to replace that piece of wood with either pressure treated wood, or I need to come and take that piece of wood off and seal it up as best I can. Future video idea is I also need to seal up my son's swing set that's in the backyard. So maybe when I do that, if I have any extra sealant left, I'll just take it on over there, take that piece of wood off, and seal it up. But like I said, that is going to do it for me. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. Hopefully I'll see you around. Well, hopefully you liked that video. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. But if you like that video, maybe you'll like one of these videos. I don't know. Check it out. See you around.